Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what many consider the best Aisi Beauty wig on the market, the pink bob wig with bangs. A 12-inch short straight bob that is perfect for cosplay, daily wear, or any fun occasion where you want to stand out. Right off the bat, this wig catches the eye with its vibrant pink color. It's not just any pink, it's a rich, natural-looking shade that complements all skin tones beautifully. The bob style is classic yet trendy, hitting just at the collarbone for that perfect balance between short and stylish. The bangs add an extra layer of chic, framing the face nicely and giving a youthful, playful vibe. The wig is made from high-quality synthetic fibers designed to mimic the look and feel of natural hair. One of the standout features here is the breathable net inside the wig cap. This means comfort is a priority. You can wear it for hours without feeling hot or itchy, which is often a problem with synthetic wigs. Plus, the cap comes with an adjustable strap, making it suitable for most head sizes and ensuring a secure fit. What makes this wig especially versatile is its heat resistance. You can style it with low heat tools to add a little personal flair, maybe a slight curl or some volume, without worrying about damaging the fibers. The bangs are about 5 inches long, which is plenty of length to trim and style according to your preference, allowing for a customized look every time you wear it. Whether you're heading to a party, cosplay event, Halloween celebration, or just want to add a pop of color to your everyday look, this wig stands out. It's lightweight, stylish, and easy to maintain, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced wig wearers. The synthetic fibers hold their shape well, so you don't have to constantly fuss with it throughout the day or night. Installation is straightforward. You start by wrapping your own hair in a hairnet, then simply place the wig on your head and fasten it. The adjustable strap helps keep it comfortably in place, and if needed, a little trimming and styling makes it look even more natural. Overall, the Aisi Beauty Pink Bob Wig with bangs is a fantastic option if you want a bold, fashionable look without committing to dyeing your hair or worrying about damage. Its combination of comfort, style, and quality makes it a standout choice in colorful synthetic wigs. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're thinking about trying a fun and fashionable new look, this wig definitely deserves your consideration. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews.